Hey there, savvy investors. Are you ready to supercharge your investment game? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, today we're diving into 10 eye-opening investment strategies that you can implement right now to boost your financial future. Trust me, these tips could transform your portfolio from mesh to wow in no time. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Strategy number 1. Dollar cost averaging. First up, let's talk about dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. Why? Because it helps mitigate risk and removes the stress of trying to time the market. For example, if you invest $100 monthly in an index fund, you'll buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. According to a study by Vanguard, this method can significantly reduce the impact of volatility on your investment. Strategy number 2. Index fund investing. Next, we have index fund investing. Instead of picking individual stocks, why not invest in a fund that tracks a whole index like the S&P 500? This approach diversifies your investments and often comes with lower fees. Research shows that 90% of actively managed funds underperform their benchmarks over the long term. So why not let the market work for you? Strategy number 3. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Now, let's explore REITs or real estate investment trusts. If real estate interests you but you don't want to manage properties, REITs are a fantastic option. They allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. Did you know that REITs have historically delivered an average annual return of about 11%? That's better than many stocks. Strategy number 4. Automated investing platforms. Strategy number 4 is to use automated investing platforms or robo-advisors. These platforms create a personalized investment portfolio for you based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. With features like automatic rebalancing and tax loss harvesting, they make investing easy and efficient. Better yet, many have low fees, making investing accessible for everyone. Strategy number 5. Invest in what you know. Coming in at number 5 is the classic advice to invest in what you know. If you have expertise or a passion for a particular industry, use that to your advantage. For instance, if you're a tech enthusiast, consider investing in tech stocks or ETFs. Your insights could give you a competitive edge. Strategy number 6. Diversification. Number 6 is all about diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. This helps reduce risk. A study from Morningstar found that a well-diversified portfolio can lead to higher returns over time while minimizing volatility. Strategy number 7. Dividend investing. 7th on our list is dividend investing. Investing in companies that pay dividends can provide a steady income stream, especially in uncertain markets. According to Fidelity, reinvesting dividends can significantly boost your returns over the long run, sometimes by as much as 30%. Strategy number 8. Behavioral finance awareness. At number 8, we have behavioral finance awareness. Understanding your own biases can lead to better investment decisions. Fear and greed often lead to emotional trading. By being aware of these biases, you can stick to your strategy and avoid costly mistakes. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Strategy number 9. Continue your education. 9th is the importance of continuing your education. The investment landscape is always changing. Stay informed about new trends, technologies, and strategies. Consider reading books, attending seminars, or even following reputable finance channels. Knowledge is power. Strategy number 10. Consult with a financial advisor. And last but certainly not least, consult with a financial advisor. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A good advisor can help you navigate the complexities of investing and tailor a strategy to meet your goals. Having an expert by your side can provide peace of mind and confidence in your investment choices. There you have it, 10 eye-opening investment strategies you can implement today. Remember, investing is a journey, and the sooner you start, the better your financial future will be. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What strategy are you excited to try? Until next time, keep investing smart.